Hi, want to know how to fix hotspot problem on your Realme 12x? So, if you are in the situation when you're trying to make a personal hotspot and the person that asks you for a hotspot cannot connect to it, let me show you a quick fix for this problem. So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then go to this tab which is named connection and sharing. Click on it and here choose your personal hotspot. Then we would need to, of course, enable it by clicking on this slider on the right edge. And now we would need to scroll a little bit lower and then click on these hotspot settings. Now here we would need to close the keyboard. And here scroll down a little bit lower until you'll find this tab AP band. So by clicking on it, as you can see here, we got two options, which is 2.4 Hz and also 5 Hz. So there is a thing when some phones are available to connect only to the 5 Hz instead of the 2.4. So they are just not available to connect to this AP band. So if you're currently on the 2.4, you can try to switch to 5 Hz and then click save. And after this, try to reconnect once more. But if you're in the other situation when you got the AP band on 5, you can try to switch back to 2.4 and then click save and try it once more. These should help, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.